Welcome to our channel. Today we how to cancel your e-trade stock plan, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin the cancellation process for your e-trade stock plan, log into your e-trade account. Navigate to the Accounts section located in the main menu. Select the Stock Plan Services option from the drop-down menu. Once in the Stock Plan Services section, locate the company stock plan you wish to cancel. Click on the specific plan to access its details. Review the plan details to confirm you want to proceed with the cancellation. Look for the Cancel Plan option, typically found at the bottom of the page. Click on the Cancel Plan button to initiate the cancellation process. A confirmation pop-up will appear, asking you to verify your choice. Read the consequences of cancellation carefully before proceeding. If you are sure you want to cancel, click Confirm. You may be prompted to enter your password for security verification. After entering your password, proceed to confirm the cancellation. Wait for a confirmation message indicating that your plan has been successfully canceled. You will also receive an email detailing the cancellation for your records. If you encounter any issues during the process, consider reaching out to E-Trade customer support. They can assist you with any questions or concerns you may have about your cancellation. Once you've confirmed your cancellation, review your account to ensure everything is up to date. This will help you monitor the changes and ensure all aspects of your plan have been addressed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested content. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.